Boxer Tools' aluminum logistic track is CNC machined to exact specifications for use with a number of available cargo management accessories. Available in 6-inch, 1 foot, 2 foot, and 4 foot lengths, and with the addition of the 2-inch round type, Boxer Tools aluminum tracks can be combined to create a unique system that works with virtually any application. All components are sold in a variety of colors and styles to complement your vehicle. Suggested tools for installation include a drill and 1/4 inch drill bit, Phillips screwdriver, 10mm wrench, a tape measure, spring clamps, a vacuum or compressed air, marker, and safety goggles. To install Boxer aluminum tracks on the floor of your truck bed, you may want to start underneath the vehicle, as we did with this truck, to avoid drilling through vital components. Identify the area of installation, mark the middle hole, and drill through the truck bed. Then, put a screw through the track and the hole you just drilled. Secure it with a washer and nut from underneath the vehicle. Have another person hold the screw while you secure it with a washer and nut. Drill and fasten the remaining holes. You may use a vacuum or compressed air to clean debris if necessary. Repeat for additional tracks. Here, we install a 1 foot length of track in each corner of the truck bed floor. Boxer Tools aluminum track systems utilize a wide variety of accessories to provide one of the most versatile cargo management solutions available. Visit our website for the complete line of Boxer Tools cargo management systems and accessories to find the perfect solution for your cargo needs.